Hi everyone, welcome back to this 5th Jackson Hole, Wyoming airport update. Today's airport update is completely different than the others. Today there is a world leader top in the Wyoming area, and all the world leaders came into Jackson Hole with their big aircraft. Decelerating on runway 01, we have this KLM Boeing 747-400 in the old livery. It is decelerating after a flight from Amsterdam carrying the Prime Minister as well as the King of the Netherlands, which both will be attending this convention. At stand number 1 we have this Air Koryo Tupolev Tu-204 carrying the North Korean leader towards Jackson Hole, which will be attending its first ever international convention here in the United States. This is a very, very big important event for the world. And at stand 2 we have this Aeroflot Tupolev Tu-144 carrying the Russian president to the convention. As you can see, they are deboarding the aircraft and hopping into the bus. This is a very rare visit of the Russian jet here in the United States, since they are banned worldwide from flying towards particular countries. So it got a one-time visit certificate, permit to visit the United States on this one occasion only. And standing parked at gate number 4 we have this Azerbaijan Airbus A340-600 all the way from Baku, Azerbaijan, carrying its president. And as you can see, it just arrived and is now deboarding the aircraft. The buses are standing by and loading up the president and its delegation. And of course, at the general aviation side, there are some stands available, and the United States of America Air Force VC-25 Air Force One has made use of one of the stands, carrying, of course, the President of the United States, already refueling to be ready to leave the area when needed. And it will be here for the whole week of the convention. Accompanying the Air Force One is this United States Air Force, United States of America Boeing 757, carrying the Vice President, which also will be attending the convention. It will be here on standby in case the Air Force One is broken, and it will of course bring some other very important people with it. And hiding in the back behind the Air Force One is the South African Airways Airbus A340-600. It's the only active South African A340 remaining. It is used by the President to fly all across the world, and in this case fly to Jackson Hole for the World Convention here. It will be on standby, and the de-ice car is already inspecting the aircraft, since it is the first time ever that they have to de-ice an A340-600, so they will be using this as a practice aircraft. So overall, Jackson Hole looks a lot different this time of the year than normally. As you may have seen, no regular passenger traffic, since these are banned from flying to Jackson Hole for the coming week. A lot of cancelled flights, of course. So for now, thank you all very much for watching. If you have any comments, questions regarding the airport or the setup or some models, please let me know down below. And see you next time, guys. Bye.